Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, in the last lecture we have studied that what are the terms involved in electrochemistry, which were resistivity, conductance, molar conductivity and various more. So based on that, we are now going to derive a relation between the molar conductivity and conductivity. So what are the relation between these two terms? Let us see. So before going ahead, let me tell you that conductivity is for the conductance for a 1 cm cube of a solution, while the molar conductivity, as the name suggests, it is the conductivity of a 1 molar solution, or a solution which consists of 1 mole of the electrolyte. So let us see in a very deep detail, and we are going to derive, or we are going to relate these two terms with each other. So let us see. So conductivity is nothing but conductivity is the conductance of 1 cm cube of the solution, while the molar conductivity is the conductance of a solution that consists of 1 mole of an electrolyte. So the both are almost same but have different terms involved in it. So suppose consider C moles of an electrolyte which is present in 1 dm cube, or for instance 1 dm cube can be also written as 1000 cm cube of the solution. So since C moles of the electrolyte are present in 1000 moles or are present in 1000 cm cube of the solution, therefore 1 mole of the electrolyte will be present in 1000 divided by C cm cube of the solution. So for that instance, we could relate the further thing as, but conductance for 1 cm cube of a solution is nothing but the conductivity, as we have did it in the first page, also in this section. It is for the 1 cm cube of a solution that conducts electricity is known as the conductance. But the conductance of 1000 divided by C cm cube of the solution can be written as K into 1000 divided by C. So therefore, we could relate this thing as the number of moles also. So therefore, this thing is now being converted into molar conductivity, and molar conductivity can be written as, the molar conductivity can be represented as lambda is equals to K into 1000 divided by C. So the unit of the lambda is nothing but ohm inverse centimeter square mole inverse. So this is the relation between the molar conductivity and the conductivity of a solution. So the conductivity, let me tell you again, the conductivity is just for the 1 cm cube of a solution that conducts electricity, while the molar conductivity is nothing but the conductivity of a 1 mole of an electrolyte present in the solution. So by this thing we have equated these two terms involved in it. It's a very easy term that we have derived. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have got to know that is what is molar conductivity and the conductivity relation with each other, and share this with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.